Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. Let's start with the most important thing in this whole video, in this whole tutorial, which is the internet connection. Make sure that you've got one. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you, but make sure that you've got it. Then we can enter the settings. And in this left section, let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. After tapping on it, you will be able to find options like system update here or system updates. So let's tap on this first option. And as you can see, your device is right now checking for the updates. That's why we needed the internet connection. And basically, you can meet two different scenarios. The first one is right here. So we've got the information that your device software is currently up to date, which means that there is nothing to download. Everything looks fine. The second option, the second scenario you can meet is the information that you're not up to date and you've got something to download. Your device will show you the information about the new update, what has been fixed, what has been added, for example, and you will be able to decide whether you want to apply this update. If you want to, probably somewhere here you will have the information or the button, the toggle to tap on it with the kind of download information or update information, and after that you will be able to simply get the new update and apply it to your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.